Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve permissions on Telegram app, you should just go to settings. After that you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of Telegram and you can click. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.